Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got an employment agency and you really need a website for your business, then you're certainly in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Marty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, Marty Sites is the easiest way to build a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the Multi Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So, click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform for your free trial, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. They have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, employment agency. There it is over there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our employment agency. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your employment agency is based, you can enjoy the Multi Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Multi Site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with today. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written, maybe add some photos of your staff at your employment agency. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding to make any changes or be a web developer or even hire a web professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the top section very quickly and start making my way through each section very quickly so you can have a little overview of the platform and how it works. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to make sure the box underneath this is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop in our street address, if we have one, that is. The great thing about that physical location that we've just popped in, when your website is live, your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and update our logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to crop it to fit into the section better, add filters, rotate it, zoom in, you can click on this little pencil over here and make the changes. Once it's been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller on the right under customize logo. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better or your logo, don't need to know color coding, click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. Awesome, let's choose a suitable color palette. There are many to choose from. Excellent. Let's move along. Now for each section that you want to make amendments to, click on update section, the button underneath, and head over to update content. Over here, you can change the content for each section to suit your business needs. Buttons can all link to various places by clicking on choose link. You can link to a PDF file if you want to, an action like click to call, directions, click to email, as well as a link to another website if need be. Head over to update image. Now for each section that has an image, go ahead and click on update image. You can browse your device and upload one of your own or search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. At the bottom of your Marty Sites website, you'll have a contact form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries. All they need to do is put their contact details in their message, click on send, and you will get notified by your registered email you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Whoops, there we go. And say I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase a domain via the Marty Sites platform. Under here, you're in your Marty dashboard is where you'll also find the leads from that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your employment agency. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know.